Hello there. This is the Aptitude Guy. Welcome to another video on the Deloitte placement process for the US tax consultant role. This video is part 2 of the accounting questions, the financial accounting questions that Deloitte asks in their placement process. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, then please watch that first and then come back to this video. And just to recap the entire system of the aptitude test has a total of 75 questions. Out of that, we have 30 questions on logical reasoning. Those videos have been uploaded right here. You can check them out. After that, we have 30 questions on financial accounting. Those videos are right here, of course. And after that, we have 15 videos on Microsoft Excel. And those videos are also uploaded right here. You can check them out. And if you are a person who has already cleared the aptitude test, congratulations. The interview questions that you need are listed right here in this video. Very, very useful video. Okay, let's move on to part 2, question number 17. Question number 1 to 16, I already mentioned, are in part 1. Go check them out. As far as this question is concerned, pause the video, try to solve it, and then come back. All right, let's see what the answer is. And I had already mentioned it in the previous video, but I'll mention it again. This topic is not my expertise, so all the answers that you see have been told by the people and the previous students who have already been placed in Deloitte. Okay, the answer is option C. You have full authority to disagree with this answer. If you do, then have a civilized discussion in the comment section below. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. And as always, have a scorebook with you so that you can see how many questions you are getting right and how many questions you are getting wrong. And why are you getting those questions wrong? That is also very important. Okay. Analyze your mistakes. Don't just make mistakes and forget them. Analyze your mistakes as well. Pause the video, try to think about the answer, and then come back. All right, let's see what the answer is. The answer is option number D. Okay, I hope you got that. Seemed like an easy question. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 19. Pause the video, try to get the answer, and then come back. All right, do you have the answer? Or whether you do or whether you don't, the answer is option number A. Okay, I hope you got that right. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 20. Okay, a lot of text. Pause the video, read the entire thing, and then answer the question. Okay, I hope you have your answer. The answer is option number C. Okay. If you did not get that right, that is also completely fine. Now you know what the correct answer is. Let us move on. Question number 21. Okay, a lot of textual and theoretical questions now. In the previous video, there were quite a lot of numericals. Here, let's see, there are quite a few more questions to go. We'll see. Pause the video, try to get the answer, and then come back. Okay, I hope you have your answer. The answer is option B. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Pause the video and try to solve it, and then come back. Okay, do you have it? Let's see what the answer is. Option number B. Okay. Now in the previous video, I told you I hate questions where there are options like none of the above or all of the above. Okay. Whenever you have these kind of options, my humble suggestion to you guys is skip that question, solve the other questions, and save these kind of questions till the absolute end. Because you need to be very, very careful while marking these kind of answers. All right, take that suggestion very seriously. Let's move on to the next question. Okay, pause the video, try to get the answer, and then come back. Okay, this is a pretty short question where it's either a hit or a miss. It's a direct question. The answer is option number B. You either know it or you do not know it. How much time do you need to solve or get to the answer for this question? hardly 20 seconds, right? That 40 seconds that you saved over here, that will be used to solve another numerical which will take you a longer time. Got it? So don't save 1 minute per question because sometimes you'll need less than 1 minute, sometimes you'll need more than 1 minute. Okay, this is the next question. Pause the video, get the answer, and then come back. Okay, I hope you have your answer. The answer is option number C. Okay, have a quick look at your scorecard. How did you do? If you are not marking, go back and see what your answers were and please score yourself. You don't have to show it to anybody else, but please score yourself for your own reference. It will help you. Question number 25. Okay. We have three options only over here, but you'll always have four options. But the student who I spoke to, he could recall only three options. So these are the three options over here. Try to figure out what the answer is. Okay. The answer is option number A. Okay. Cool. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 26. Again, it's a pretty hit and miss question, nothing to calculate here. So, of course, pause the video, think about it, and then come back. All right, I hope you have your answer. The main mistake that many people make in this kind of questions is we have to select an option which is incorrect. Okay, many people fail to read this and then they simply mark a correct option. You have to look for a false statement. Be very careful in such questions. The answer is option number D. Okay, so please be very, very careful in such questions. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 27. Pause the video, try to solve it, and then come back. Okay, let's see what the answer is. The answer is option number B, fidelity bond. Okay, I hope you got that correct. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 28. Okay, again, not a numerical, so you should either know it or you do not know it. Okay, I hope you have selected your answer. The answer is option number D, training of employees. By far, if you have been learning something new, okay, and if this has opened your mind to the possibilities of the questions that Deloitte can ask you, if you feel this is useful, then please like the video so that you can come back to this video and revisit it and revise it whenever you need to. Okay, if your placements are still not around the corner and if you have a good amount of time, first of all, congratulations for starting early. That's a very good thing. But later you might forget, so like the video right now so that later you can use it to revise. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 29. Finally, we have a numerical question. This is what you saved all that time for. Okay, now is the time to go slow. Pause the video, go slow, try to solve it, and then come back. Okay, I hope you have your answer and I really hope that it's the correct answer. Let's see what the answer is. The answer is option number A. Okay. If you did not get this correct, then please revisit your calculation or mention your doubts in the comment section and somebody will come back and discuss it with you. Somebody with an expertise in this topic. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, we have another numerical. Okay. Again, this is the time for you to go slow. Take your time, pause the video and then try to solve it. Alright, I hope you have your answer and I hope you read each and every word very carefully. The answer is option number D. We have 12,000 rupees. Did you get it? If you got it, that is awesome. Like the video. If you did not get it, that is also okay. Like the video so that you learned something new. Let's move on. Question number 31. Okay. Pause the video. This is again a theoretical question. You either know it or you do not know it. Got your answer? Okay, let's see what the answer is. The answer is option number A. Okay, stock account. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 32. This one is a slight numerical, slight theoretical. No numbers, but then you have to think about it. Take your time. Okay, I hope you're done. The answer is option number C. Okay, I hope you got that right. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 33. Okay, we have another numerical. Take your time again, go very slow, read each and every data. Pause the video. Okay, I hope you have your answer. The answer is option number A. Awesome. And yeah, if you want to be a good Samaritan for the other people, then all the numericals that you see in the video, you can take it a step ahead and post your solution in the comment section very nicely so that it can help the other people as well, right? Especially if you're done with your placements, then you can do that. Even if you're not, you can post your solution in the comment section. And if at all somebody else has a doubt in it or somebody else disagrees with you, then you can learn something new from there as well. Okay, use the comment section to have a good discussion. Let's move on to the next one. Okay, pause the video, try to get the answer and then come back. Again, notice that there is an option called all of the above. So be very, very careful. Alright, I hope you have your answer. The answer is option number C. Okay, have a quick look at your scorecard right now. From the first video, we did 34 questions, and I think this is the end of this video. And yes, I am absolutely right. Thank you so much for watching this video as well. If you want to watch part 1, the previous video is right here. And if you want to watch the next part, the next video is right here. And of course, if you thought that this video was useful, a subscribe to the channel would be absolutely mind-blowing. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.